Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to remove a passkey on Bitwarden. Let's get straight into it. This works in the browser extension, web app, and desktop app. First, open your Bitwarden vault. If you're using the browser extension, click the Bitwarden icon in your toolbar. If you're on the web app, head to vault.bitwarden.com, or if you've got the desktop app installed, launch that. You'll either see your login screen or, if you're already logged in, your vault item list. Once you're in, locate the login item that contains the passkey you want to remove. You can either scroll through your vault list or use the search bar at the top to find it faster. When you see the item, you'll know it's the right one because it's the login entry you created with that passkey attached. Keep in mind that Bitwarden only allows one passkey per login item. Click on that login item to open its details. You'll see the full view with your username, password, the passkey, and any other information you've stored for that entry. Now, look for the edit button in the item details view and click it. The screen will switch to edit mode, and you'll see all the fields become editable with some extra controls showing up. Here's where you remove the passkey. Look for the red circled minus icon directly to the left of the passkey entry. It's a small red circle with a minus sign inside. Click that icon. As soon as you do, the passkey will disappear from the edit view. Now click Save to lock in your changes. You'll find the Save button either at the top or bottom of the screen, depending on which client you're using. Once you click it, the edit screen closes and you're back to viewing the item. The passkey will no longer be listed. And that's it. The passkey has been removed from your vault. A couple of things to note. This only removes the passkey credential itself. Your username and password for that login item are still there if you had them stored. Also, if you registered this passkey with a website or service, you might need to go into that service's security settings and delete it from there too, especially if you're planning to create a new passkey for that site. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.